Hey, this Chantel Anyanwu, do what she gotta do. Always what got a crew. Nothing's impossible. You're fearing not.
Hey y'all, good afternoon. This intro is going to be the fastest ever, but yeah, I am speaking again. This is my third or fourth speaking engagement. I've lost count at this point. Well, yeah, I have a speaking gig with Hello Perfect again. This is my second time working with them. And I just got to the venue. It's called Osborne La Palm or Osborne La Royal, some hotel in GRA Port Harcourt. It was scheduled for 2, but it is 2:05 currently. I just want to get in there now and yeah, start my day. I filmed a lot of content. I laid my front out for the first time. In short, so people will see the short form content. I will put them out before this vlog so that I can link them as I'm talking. I'm supposed to work with a Reels guy, someone that offered to shoot short form content for me, my OOTD and stuff. He's here already, so I'm just rushing to get in there. All right. Bye. You see my OOTD, everything in short form content. Love you guys. Please watch the vlog to the end, and I'm sure you enjoy it. Mwah. Bye.
And it went like
Jerry and YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel Anyanwu, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. Yeah, it's your homegirl Chantel. And you know I really like your style. Outfits, yeah, they always on fleek. Put you in a new product to ignite your smile. Lord, kiss shit like that crowd. Yeah, living the dreams, amazing. And don't care what they think. For the ones that she loves, she go hard in the paint. Up in the ring and she styling.
Do you know that I've been here? See, I was panicking when I was making that intro. You'd expect that immediately I got in here, they had already started. Or I was even late. But yeah, they haven't started. I'm just here taking pictures, done some content, and I got to meet the Reels doctor, John. He was kind enough to take content of me for free. Who am I? But I'll leave his handle.
And this to the week on
I know, right? I know, that was so sweet. Thank you so much.
Pleasure is mine.
I'll leave his handle on the screen. You guys go patronize him. He's really good. He knows his angles, everything. We've gotten some really fire shots that I'm going to show you all on short form. Yeah? Looking so cute. Just hesitate for that one. All right. Bye. I'm wearing it. It's a simple one. It's a I didn't catch out. But trust me, it'll be fun. All right. Thank you so much. Bye.
Hey. This Chantel Anyanwu, do what she gotta do. Always what got a crew. Nothing's impossible. You're fearing Nigerian YouTuber.
This is the Radiance brunch. If you know anything about Hello Perfect, you know they don't do anything haphazardly. It is always calm, it is always chic, it is always beautiful. As you can see here, the decor is gorgeous. So, welcome once again. Today, we're getting with Stephanie. I think we can go on with the Q&A session we're having. So maybe Ms. Onyeka can join us to if you have anything to chip in while we're going on. I think the last questions we asked, sorry.
you didn't get back to me.
They would shed more light on their perspective on this topic. First up, I would like to call Miss Azim. Miss Azim, please, you're ready. Round of applause, everybody. I see she's so beautiful, she's so radiant. And while we're welcoming Miss Azim, Miss Chantel, please. Round of applause, round of applause, round of applause. Please make them feel welcome. Round of applause, guys. And we're also going to be welcoming Dr. Akpeyo Gene. Welcome. Please clap, round of applause, keep clapping, round of applause. Welcome. And lastly, I'll be welcoming Miss Calista Adiaze. She's the lead esthetician for Hello Perfect Aesthetic and Laser Clinic Consultant. I really hope everybody enjoys this session.
Thank you. Lovely question.
I think
I wanted to see if we should take this. And like, should he be applying it at this time? Because we hear sometimes, like in my case where I had earlier, it's went up. I think same thing with my older sister. So is it a thing of maybe when you're in your teens, you have like a battle with acne and over time you
So I'm grateful from the bottom of my heart. You know, I really do want to hold you guys today, kiss, hug, just show you my heart of appreciation. This brand has grown because of you. So please tell the story. Tell the story about who we are, what we've done, and how authentic you feel these people are. So please share our story. We want to be able to make impact and not just treat skin, but impact the people that we've come here to do. And if you have any suggestions, any growth opportunities, any speaking engagements, those in government, we're happy to be associated with government. In Lagos and Abuja, we're beginning to associate with the doctors' clinic, the medical doctor associations. So we're beginning to invest in not just the place we are, but the community of the people. So if you have, projects you think you want us to be a part of, we want to be able to know that we're not just here and we're really, really making impact. Thank you so much. A round of applause. I had acne at the time, I had pigmentation at the time, and it didn't go in America. So it was until I came back to Nigeria and I started to really customize our treatment. And that's why I say that the best people to treat us is us. So I started to tailor the treatments that were made for me. And this is why I love when a new staff joins us and their face is messed up. I remember when we started also, people say before you pick a brand ambassador, we say, this staff you want to hire. Start with yourself. So that thing of by the time you treat yourself through the emotions and your face is healthy, it's easier to hold somebody's hand and treat them. So yes, that would be so much. That was a round of applause. I love how you answered that question. Okay, right, all right. To where they're looking at you in their branch in Abuja. Again, that became a whole fire that that this person cares about you. This person is intelligent. Listen to the conversation, how their approach to treatment is. And it's okay not to start the same day. You can finish your consultation, go and think about it.
Okay, sorry. It's recording.
Thank you.
This is so clear.
It is. It's 4K.
Wow.
Let's take buzzing picture. Hey y'all, I'm back home. My hair held up really nicely. I was so scared I was going to pull because I did not even give it a lot of time to set. Well, I'm really glad with how it turned out. Let's come on here and show you all the content of the goodie bag that we got. Everything came in this beautiful jute bag with the Hello Perfect name inscribed on it. And behind you have the QR code you can scan, probably for their services. And the logo is also here. Oh, yeah. Also have oh, nice. Okay. A Hello Perfect branded hand sanitizer. It looks like this popular one. I don't know. I can't remember the name, but if you know that brand, you know. The brand. I'm so tired, so I may be stumbling on my words. So please bear with me. Okay? The first item is this Medix 5.5 hyaluronic and Sika extract hydrate and renew body treatment cream. Oh, nice. Okay, I thought this was a bath wash. It's a cream. I can't wait to try it. Hyaluronic acid is really good. Very good for hydration. Also, this La Roche-Posay, what's this? It's not in English. So. I don't know what this is. So, hydrant means hydration. So, okay, ultra soothing, hydrating care, anti-imperfections. I have to research what this is. But yeah, that's that. More Hello Perfect branded item. This is a clear bottle. Pretty cute. Also, this face cap, it looks really nice, and I love that it doesn't have the Hello Perfect name inside on it. So you can actually wear it without it feeling like an advertisement, if you get what I mean. I also love the view. What else? Yo, there are a lot of things in this bag. CeraVe Skin Renewing Vitamin C Serum. I would definitely jump on this because I love anything vitamin C. It simply brightens to even skin tone while providing antioxidant benefits. Love it. Thank you, Hello Perfect team. There's also a writing pad with a branded writing pad actually. Beauty is skin deep, of course. Also have these placards, I will call them. Hello Perfect in front, and behind you have a bunch of positive phrases. And this is anti-irritation, I don't know, why don't they write their things in English? But I think this is a face wash from La Roche-Posay as well. Okay, and the last thing in the bag is, what's this? Okay, bend to open. This is a sticker. Love the skin you're in. And the last thing is this pen. So thank you so much, Hello Perfect team. Thank you, Onyeka. I am so grateful. It is currently past 8 and your girl is tired. I just want to get this hair off. I'm not one of those that will sleep in my front. It looks good. I think I can even carry it for a few more days, but I'm going to the gym tomorrow, so I can't deal with this thing. Although it makes me look cute, but man, I'm just going to go wash my face, shower, and change into my nightie. Thank you all so much for watching. If you attended the event and you did not come to say hi to me, and you knew me, that's if you knew me. You know, not come to say hi to me. I'm beefing you. You small. But to all those that came to say hi to me, thank you so much. Chantel Nation represented a few of you came, so I'm so grateful for that. Yeah, that's it with this vlog. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.
This Chantel Anyanwu, do what she gotta do. Always what got a crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she